right, so we're going to start with a basic tap dance warm-up. Anytime you see a warm-up with toes and heels like this, it is inspired by Steve Condos and his tap dance workout. So all of us tap dancers have kind of taken ideas from him and made them our own. This is one that I've come across many times throughout my tap dance career. So here are some of the basics. So you're going to start with ball of your right foot, crawl to your heel, to your toe, to your heel. Shift your weight there, so you go ball, heel, toe, heel. So just a basic crawl, shifting your weight. And then you can double up on the sounds. Do that a few times. And then we'll add a shuffle to the first sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then where the first shuffle is, double up on that. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, we just keep adding shuffles and then taking away toes and heels. So for the 3 shuffles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 1 toe to make up for the shuffle added in there. Then we go to 4. And so on and so forth till we get to 7 shuffles and a step, and then we'll reverse our way back down 7 through 1. With this exercise, instead of swinging our shuffle, it's an even shuffle to make sense with the even toes and heels. So let's go through all of those from the top. 1, 2, ready, and toes first. Add a shuffle. Two shuffles. Three shuffles. Four shuffles. 5, 6, 7, back down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and just 1. Back to just toes and heels. Toe, heel, toe, heel. Then 1 hit and basic toe heel warm-up.